explanation. We can continue from Wednesday, but let's just start. Now, the first one we see is nome di transito su autostrada e strada extraurbana principale. Quindi, how you go take transit for autostrada and outside of the city, which is extraurbana principale, how you want take transit. Sull'autostrada e strada extraurbana principale è vietata la circolazione di. Now, this particular people no go fit circulate for autostrada. This category of vehicles no go fit circulate for autostrada. Number one, pedoni, people with the waka, e animali and animals, ad eccezione delle aree di servizio e sosta. Gli animali solo se adeguatamente custoditi e lungo le corsie di emergenza, solo per raggiungere i punti per le richieste di soccorso. Now, pedoni and animals, okay, for these places, autostrada and extraurbana principale, they are not allowed to circulate. But if you go see them for area di servicio, we know what is area di servicio. We call area di servicio here, like when you travel, you see that place they call now, what we all know, whereby you need to stop, buy for, eat, regain whatever you feel that you need to regain before you begin to drive. Those places are called area di servicio. Okay, now these places, if you find pedoni, if you find animals, and area di sosta, SOS, you dey possible say you go fit find pedoni and you go fit find animal. Another place where we go fit still find them, but this place, the particular place, now only when there's a need for it, only when there's an emergency. Now then you go fit see pedoni. Maybe the pedoni they find help, or you go fit see animal. But you go fit see animal if then they in custody. It means if then they caged. Okay. Now velocipiedi as well. Remember, so we dey talk of who and who no go fit enter autostrada and extraurbana principale. And this time around we get velocipiedi. You no go fit find velocipiedi for these places. Ciclomotore, you no go fit find ciclomotore for these places. And then we get motocicli di cilindrata inferiore a 150 cm. So motorcycle we get cilindrata wey dey less than 150 cm, they no go fit dey for autostrada extraurbana principale. Remember, say we get some motorcycle we say the cylinder they pass 150. So if you're buying, you need to know if they're buying the bigger one or the smaller one. Autovetture che non sono in grado di sviluppare per costruzione la velocità in piano di almeno 80 km per ora. Autovetture, we say, they fit to go at least 80 km per hour. So it means if your auto vehicle, where you want to take your autovettura, let me use autovettura, not auto vehicle, because auto vehicle, like I said, na their mother. Underneath, and we get this one they call autovettura, which is the normal car we drive. Okay, so if you carry normal car like this, and say your normal car, get fitness to take run at least 80 km per hour. No car am enter autostrada, no car am enter extraurbana principale. Okay. Now over here we already saw what we are not supposed to see in extraurbana principale and autostrada. We talked of velocipiedi, where we say bicycle fall under. Remember, say velocipiedi just like umbrella. Underneath and we get quadricicli a pedale. Underneath and we get monopattino. Underneath and we get bicycle. Okay, so these are just like an umbrella. Underneath and we'll not get this one, but we use bicycle mainly to just explain what velocipiedi means. Okay, so we have velocipiedi, we have ciclomotore, which is this one. Okay, we have motorcycle, and then we get autovettura. Remember, say when we talk of autovettura, we talk of the one we say no they in grado they go 80 km at least for these places. Any question? Ask. That's the only way you can learn more, please. Then we get
teacher number so when I go to which topic we did today now?
We did for nome varie.
Nome varie, okay.
Then we get macchina agricole. We get veicolo con carico disordinato e non solidamente assicurato o sporgente oltre i limiti consentiti. Macchina agricole not supposed to enter autostrada, extraurbana principale. Vehicle where we say the load we carry, they organized, okay? It is not well organized, or this particular load, it shoot out, it spurge, it means it protrudes more than the limit where they allowed. It shoot more for back, more than the limit we did allowed. This particular vehicle not supposed to enter extraurbana principale and autostrada. We get veicoli a tenuta non stagna e con carico scoperto se trasportano materiali che possono dispendersi. Vehicle wey be say e no dey fixed again, or e carry load wey be say e dey open, wey be say this particular material fit throw away. if it disperse, if it away. Now, this particular vehicle non supposed to enter autostrada sovrana principale. Veicolo, le cui condizioni di uso, equipaggiamento e gommatura possono costituire pericolo per la circolazione. Now, vehicles will be say the use, the equipment related to one, maybe the tire, possono costituire, can cause danger to the circulation. Now, this particular vehicle is not supposed to enter autostrada and sovrana principale. Veicoli non in regola con la prescritta revisione. Vehicle will be say it not go well with revision. Okay, maybe it's not up to date with revision. Okay, not supposed to enter Sobrana Principale and Autostrada. Over I will just name some vehicles for you to see. We have Macchina Agricole, we have Veicoli a tenuta non stagna, which is something like this. Okay, or vehicle with load, we say it is scoperto, it is open, we say if you pour through. Now let us read further. It say in autostrada e nella strada urbana principale, quindi sulla carreggiata, sulla rampe, sulla svincoli, sulle aree di servizio o di parcheggio, è vietato richiedere o concedere passaggi. Now, for autostrada, for urbana principale, when we talk of autostrada urbana principale, we see the talk of carreggiata inside because, of course, autostrada urbana principale includes carreggiata, includes ramps, includes vincoli, see like a junction, includes area di servizio, whereby you need to make one or two, like I said, like already, whereby if you travel, you need to stop here, buy something, fuel your car, rest before you initiate again to drive. Now these places as well, package where you go find for Urbana Principale and Autostrada as well. You no go fit do these things. Number one, you no go fit richiedere or concedere passaggi. You no go fit ask for help or render help to somebody. So it means say even if you see your brother wey in car stop for Autostrada Urbana Principale for this zone what I just mentioned, so you no go fit give am help. So the least you can do for that person is to go out from that place and maybe tell the people that are licensed to pick people from these places. Okay, that's why we have vehicles where we say now their work to come tow you out from where you dey, bring you outside. Okay, so it doesn't mean that if I see my brother or my sister in vehicle stop for Autostrada or Urbana Principale that I can bring this person out myself. No. Okay, I will only help him to go and call help. Go out from that place. Ushita, call help for that your brother where you see. Okay, or better see he can do that because of course, like we see for Cosa de Emergenza, we can see people. Area di servizio, we can see people